The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chester County Emergency Management. There was an explosion at Redata High School at a science lab. Someone has put dangerous hazardous chemicals that made an explosion. This explosion is particularly dangerous from these people. Several reports that people are dying by turning into skeletons. If you see the smoke coming, please close your windows. If you're driving, do not roll the window. If you are outside, run or walk as fast as you can. Continue monitoring your local media outlets for more information when it becomes available.